गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू चैनल आईटी जयेश। तो आज हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा चीज़। क्या क्या ये HP पवेलियन इंटू 360 DH सीरीज़ है ये। और तो चीप मॉडल है पर आपको बड़ा लेना चाहिए। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसका पूरा रिव्यू, आगे बढ़ते हुए। तो गाइस, let's keep the laptop aside and let's see the charger. The charger is a 65-watt charger, as you can see. Okay, dual attachment and all. Let's keep this aside. Here comes our main component. You get HP pen. Yeah, this is worth 3,000 rupees. Yeah, quite good pen, and it has a battery system. You can see here. Yeah, it has a battery system. This is the battery system. Put in and here. And here we go. Here, and this is our main laptop. Okay, so this laptop is quite very good. Let me say the specifications. I have bought a cheap one. This is a 4 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD version. Intel graphic card, Ultra HD display, and 1920 into 1360 का pixel का वो है. It's a 720p recording camera. Here you can see the laptop. Here you can see pavilion written. This is the trackpad, quite good trackpad, quite smooth. This is the keypad. This is the awesome design B&O speakers out here, B&O, and here you can see there is a camera here. Okay, and this is the laptop. So just let me show you more things. For the port, okay, so this side we get a USB port. You get a USB port. You can see here. You get a USB port. You get a you get a 3mm jack. There is a ventilation window, the power on off button, and this is to attach your laptop to a desk if you are working in office and all. Okay, and here is a power jack. Okay, here is the HDMI port. Here is again USB port, Type C port, an SD card reader, and this button shows whether your SSD is in use or not currently. So this is the thing. It's a convertible laptop, so you can just pick it up and like this you can do this. Okay, so now let's turn on our laptop. Here we go. By the time it gets on, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. It is quite fast, and it is quite very fast. It is quite very fast. You can see, yeah, it is very fast. I enter my pin. Okay, no problem, you'll see my pin also. Okay, yeah, this is the laptop. Okay, let me get you some close views. It comes with inbuilt Alexa. You can see we get Alexa here. If I connect to my internet, I'll get Alexa. This is, and then there's the PC. Okay, see here you get total of one, and this I have used. They have used on starting. You'll get nearly around 200 GB, but I have only around 150 GB left. Okay, quite good a laptop, and just see, and you know it is charging very fast. In 1 hour it will charge awesome fast. And we'll see now if I turn this laptop to a tablet mode. See, if you want, you can keep this in this position. No, okay, if you want, you can keep this in this position. Okay, and this is a touchscreen laptop, so quite good. And if I want to keep it like this for now, for my video. Okay, so if I talk about the working facilities and all, it's quite good. Now let's talk about the pen. This is the pen which we had got with the HP thing. So let's open something. Let's open the whiteboard. Okay, I open the whiteboard. So this is the whiteboard. Okay, let's write something. Okay, and if you want, you can see this has 2 buttons. You can see here, this has 2 buttons. Okay, so with these 2 buttons, what you can do is you can customize them. Like I have put first one as an eraser, so I can erase it. The second one to take screenshot. Like I see, screenshot was taken. So this is the facility. So do subscribe my channel. Yeah, quite good, quite good, quite awesome, and working facility is also very good. Okay, now let's go to the settings. It has one more option, like if I search, let's see, on screen keyboard, I go change the language to English. Okay, now if I type your phone, okay, your phone, see this app opens up. It's quite good app. You know what you can do, you can connect your phone. See, I can go to notifications. I can see the recent messages, I can see the calls if my phone is connected. Okay, this is all. Okay, you have used 100 GB data and whatever the bullshit. This is my phone. If I want to edit something, I can edit from here. If I want my phone, I do want my phone, and everything will be here. Overall, quite a good laptop to buy. If you're a student and all, you want Blue Jay and your studio, whatever you are doing, it's quite good laptop and quite handy. Like, it's quite handy. So I feel it's very good. And it has different modes, like one is this. Okay, lot automatically done. See, you know what is the best part of it? When you're using this in this particular mode, the keyboard get disabled. See, it will not write anything. I type, it is not writing anything. Okay, so the keyboard get disabled. Another thing is, it comes with a backlit keyboard. You can see here. See, this is a backlit keyboard. But turn off the light and all. Can easily work in dark mode and all if I want to. So quite good laptop. And it has desktop switching option, recent option, and multitasking keypad. So very good. If you want to buy a laptop in a budget range like 50,000, 60,000, you can go for this if you want a touchscreen. Yeah, this one's higher premium range also comes nearly on 1 lakh ka bhi aata hai iska. Like if you want to show you, wait, I'll show you just now. Yeah, so guys, here is our pavilion series. Okay, I go to shop now. I'll show you the variants available. If you want, you can buy them. Okay, pavilion. Yeah, see, I have got this one. Where is that one? My one not showing. Yeah, my one is currently out of stock, but you'll get it in local stores or something like that. See, this laptop, my one is this one only, but a lower version of that. Like it has 8 GB RAM, but I have 4 GB RAM, so that doesn't matter. And if you want to go a higher range, it starts with 50,000. Before I saw they increased the price, man. This was 42,000. Now it is 49,999. Wow. Okay, and you get a free warranty if you're a student and all for 1 year. Like I got a, if I'm a student, I got a free warranty of 2 years. Like for 2 years I had to pay 499, and for 1 year I had to pay nothing. So I chose for 2 years, so I get a 2 years free. So here is it. Okay, you get a free pen, laptop, bag, and all other stuffs. Okay, so my one was here only. Yeah, my one is here. I'll show you just a sec. My one will be out of stock for sure. This is not my laptop. Wait, this is not. Also, they have removed all the other models, man. Come on. Okay, so you can buy starts with 50,000. My one is currently out of stock. Okay, so thank you for this one. Oh, okay. I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'm loving this laptop. It's quite good, quite good. So I can use it. So if you want to buy, you can buy. I'll give the description link below. You can buy it on Amazon, Flipkart, or hp.com. If you're a student, you're getting a particular offer, whichever offer you want to go for, you can go. And the desktop also some offers are going on HP. So this is all, and good laptop. Okay, bye. Yeah, I have put a screen guard so that the screen laptop doesn't get spoiled. Screen guard is 500 rupees. Okay, so thank you. I'm placing the link below. You can go and buy.